All right, so let us talk about workload migration versus cloud native development. But before we get too deep into that, what is a workload? A workload, when we speak about cloud, could be a virtual machine, it could be a container, and if you don't know what a container is, you're in the right place. It could be an application. You see, not only is cloud an evolving technology, but cloud itself is consistently evolving, and more we have these workloads that we want to have the flexibility to migrate from on-premise data centers to the cloud, or in the future, one cloud to another. There are different types of workload migrations. They could be physical to virtual, virtual to virtual, storage migrations, and online versus offline migrations. As you may have guessed by now, workload migrations consist of applications or servers that currently exist in our on-premise infrastructure that we want to migrate to the cloud. If you and your team are about to start a brand new project, consider looking into cloud native development. What is cloud native development? Cloud native is an approach to developing and running applications that takes advantage of the cloud computing delivery model. Cloud native development is about how applications are created and deployed, not where. Simply put, cloud native development focuses on DevOps, continuous delivery, microservices, and containers. Its benefits provide for a faster release pace, better client experience, ease of management, reduced operational costs, a more reliable system, and finally, avoids vendor lock-in. Our cloud native platform is Kubernetes, which is overlaid on top of our Azure cloud provider. We'll talk more about Kubernetes in future videos. Now that we have a fundamental understanding between the two and you and your team have decided which path to take, our next video will cover how to get started in the cloud. See you in the next video.